So we're here at the ElizaVet Clinic. They've luckily allowed us to come into the room before it's ready and before they actually start scanning for us to have a look and see what we've got. So come on in. As you can see, Siemens Health and Ears Somaton Go Now scanner. Fantastic CT scanner here. Good, robust, reliable scanner, great image quality. These, by the way, work really fantastic well when we are talking about our flush mounted warning light, which you'll see on the outside of the door here. So this will warn anyone about to enter the room that the scanner is on, and also if anyone was to enter the room, the scanner will stop firing. A great facility, a great product for any CT or X-ray room is to have that flush mounted warning light, clear, concise, where you need it in the room at eye level, so anyone coming into the room knows that it's not good to enter if the warning light is on. One thing I did mean to mention was we have the panelling on the walls, panelling on the ceiling, door, window, and another additional door also. Because we have supplied the full package to this customer, so the full radiation shielding package, that comes with a 10-year installation warranty. So we're basically saying that everything is guaranteed against any radiation leakage within that period of time, because we've come in and installed the full product from end to end, top to bottom, corner to corner. Hello and welcome to ElizaVet Clinic in Belsize Road, a stone's throw away from the famous Abbey Road. We're here today to showcase a project where we fully installed all your radiation shielding products within the facility here to allow this vet to have a fantastic Siemens CT scanner fully shielded by Raybloc X-ray protection. We start off with the door. We've got a single door here with a flush mounted vision panel. We've also got on the outside of the door our two-stage warning light, flush mounted also. This door in particular is primer painted finished for finishing by others, so this has been finished by the facility themselves in a lovely dark colour to be in keeping with the brand. We've got thumb turn lock and a classic D handle, obviously finished with lead line architraves on the inside of the room to make sure that there's no radiation shielding issues when integrating with the walls. The walls are fully lead lined by us, full height, and we've also got lead line plywood on the ceilings. So we're a fully encapsulated shielded room. So we've got code 5 lead line plywood on the walls here. We've got lead line window so that the radiographer can keep an eye on your beloved pet whilst they're having their scan. In the corner of the window we've got the glass etching, so it tells you that it's a code 5 window, so you know what level of protection is on there. As always, we have the lead line architraves that bridge the gap between the window and the wall, and we have finished this also in a primer painted for finishing on site. So the customer's chosen their colour and finished it really nicely to fit in with the room and the decor around. So we've done the full package here, ElizaVet. We've done the walls, we've done the ceiling, we've done some doors and a shielded window. So one of the Raybloc promises is that we'll guarantee the products that we manufacture by hand in our factory for 10 years. So on this project, we've got the lead line doors, lead line windows and the panelling, all guaranteed by Raybloc for 10 years against any defaults.